How to set up MetaPay. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, in here, simply scroll down. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. After you click on Settings and Privacy, it will expand. And in there, click on Orders and Payments. After you click on Orders and Payments, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Credit and Debit Card if you want to set up pay from your credit or debit card. After you click on it, you'll find option to add debit or credit card at the top. Click on it and add your information. If you want to add another payment methods, click on other payment methods. After you click on it, click on add payment method at the top. And the only available one right now is PayPal. Click on PayPal, add your information, and you're good to go. This is how to set up MetaPay. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.